This is my fit for today. Again, wearing green. I'm wearing my new backpack. Yeah, no squishmallows. Pretty, always gotta check. Oh. No LPS. Someone got rid of their pony with the name. And a little clown, he's kind of cute. Do have houses you can use for LPS. That one's kind of cute. Oh my gosh, no way. I used to have this. It's so cute. Okay, second Five Below. Let's hope they have Halloween squishmallows. Yeah, nope, nothing. Fun. Still nothing. How sad. What is this? I think they're so cute. Alright, Marshalls and no squishmallows. It looks like they have the fake ones. They have a baby shark one. They're actually, oh my gosh. This one's so cute. They're actually really cute though. There he is again. Alright, so far, nothing today. Not even at the Five Belows, which is really sad. But we're gonna go to another Five Below after this Marshalls trip. That's cool. Some tarot cards. Nope, nothing again. Let's try Party City for Squishmallows. Well, they have these guys. This one is so cute though. It's adorable. Let's see if they have others though. These ones are really cute though. They're just like crazy expensive for the size, but I kind of like the green one, but I don't know. Like I want to buy him, but he's expensive, so I'll wait. Okay, hopefully they have them. They have fake ones, but he's kind of cute. I'm going to scream. I just want a Squishmallow. Just one. I can't find any Halloween ones. I just want one. They only have one type, but one has the letters on it. Alright, so I'm back and I'll show you guys what I got. Well, I went to Marshall's. I got this dress. I don't really wear dresses, but it's kind of cute. Kind of very hippie, boho type. Very cute, I think. So I'll wear that tomorrow, maybe. It's like fall colors, but it could be spring as well. Very cute. So I got that. And this kind of goes with it, actually. I got this really nice headband. It's like stretchy and like soft, and it's like brown. Some just shades of brown. Is really cute. I'll show you guys what I got at Five Below. I got another Poppet. It's a glow. It's like glow in the dark and sparkly shooting star. So I was gonna get the black rocket one they had, but I already got a black cat, so I got this one. So I think that would be really cute. They didn't have the Capricorn horoscope book, which was sad. Hopefully I can find it tomorrow at Five Below. But I got this spellcraft book, a guided journal for casting, cleansing, and blessings. So it tells you stuff, and then you can write down like things that happened, and yeah. So I got that. Then I got this candle, Season Solstice. It's for protection. Juniper cypress. Smells amazing, and it aids in overall self-protection. Creates a barrier from negative and positive. And from negative people and energy. I love candles. I'm obsessed. Then at the other Five Below, this is all I got, was this mesh squeeze ball. I don't want to squish it too much, but I don't want it to break. But it was only $1, so I think that was pretty good. So I got that. Also, we went through Starbucks and it's National Coffee Day, and I got 2 free stickers. Aren't they cute? I wish I got like ones that weren't coffee, because I don't drink coffee, but obviously it's coffee day, so they have coffee stickers, but very cute. And my purse right here that I was wearing today, I think it's so cute. At Target, I got one Poppet. They didn't have any others, but they had this one, and this one's really cute. It was only $3, and this one actually has the letters on there, and I got it because the texture is really nice. So yeah, that's what I got today. No Squishmallows, which is sad, but oh well. Alright, let's cut this off, and hopefully this won't leak like the other ones I saw did. It's so fun. The thing is, you can't really push it out of this side, which is weird. It like only pushes out like over here. I don't really know how to pop it, like, you know what I mean? There's not really an even way to do it. Cookies. Yes. I didn't show you guys the final product. I don't cook. Like, that's not my role in life. I don't cook. I will marry a woman who can cook. I mean, it's just baking, but I mean, it was just like, I don't know how to do it. We didn't have enough space on the pan, so they all basically formed like a giant triangle. I mean, rectangle, and then we had to cut them out, and they're like weird shapes, but pretty good. I'm going to impulsively buy a new horse. So yeah, I'm just naming it Wolf. It's gonna be named Legoshi. And yeah, and I brought this dude, Lady Pepper, here to see, you know, if it was similar to either, and it's not. So I'm gonna get Legoshi now. I love this horse, and I'm wearing the birthday outfit right now. I think it is so cute. And his name is Legoshi. And just Wolf, it's the first horse I've named with just a single, like, name. That makes sense. Even with the new update, I have just still done 2 names. Also, I did the little braid. I don't really like the braid up here though. I kind of regret it, but I like the braid on the tail, so yeah. Alright, so here's my outfit for the day before the last day. Very feminine, I know. I don't wear dresses. I mean, look at my legs. But I think it's cute. I got this headband that matches, so I think it's cute. I just feel really weird in it. I feel like a man in a dress, but it matches my bag. And yeah, now I'm gonna go shopping, maybe find some more Halloween Squishmallows, hopefully. Also, I'm gonna put on my Halloween cat earrings. I just haven't yet, so. They have the cats versus pickles. No other Squishmallows that I can see. I don't think so. Unless they're hidden. So cute. Let's look real quick for more. They're hidden. Oh! We have some of these guys. Cool. No other babies. They probably had more here. I'm sad. But I have her. I'm getting her. I'm gonna search real quick if there's any hidden. Almost like a Squishmallow. It's really cute. This is so cute. Okay, I want to buy this one too. This is so cute. It has all the star signs, the moon cycles. Oh my gosh, I need it. Okay, I'm at another HomeGoods, but not unlike the other one, this one does not have any Squishmallows, not even any plush really at all. Oh, maybe over here? I don't see any. Here's a fake one. A couple of the fake ones. Oh my god, I'm screaming and crying. Oh my god, Halloween ones? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? It's the spider. Oh my god, 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 oh my gosh. What the heck? Did not expect that. I cannot believe it. Oh my god, Dracula and then a spider. Yes, I love the spider. You guys, I did not expect that. I've been looking everywhere and I found 3 Halloween Squishmallows today. They're so cute. This one's dirty, but I'll clean him up. Okay, I'm gonna look around the store, see if there's any other Squishmallows hidden, because I really want a bat one. Like, I want it so bad. And a black cat, that'd be cute. Okay, so I'm gonna look and see if there's any hidden Halloween ones. I would love a bat. You never know, you should always look, because some people hide them. I don't see any though. You guys, I found another one. And I wanted the ghost too. He's so cute. Can't believe how lucky I've been today. I've looked everywhere for Halloween Squishmallows. I can't believe that I actually found some. And the fact that I found more than one is like crazy to me. My life is complete. I finally found them. But I still want the bat, so I still have to look for him. So I talked to someone. Apparently someone bought 3 earlier today. So hopefully there wasn't a bat one, otherwise I will cry because yeah. Oh my god, what? We have a panda one and a parrot. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. At this point, I don't know what ones to get. They are so adorable. Wow. Alright, sadly, I'm not gonna get this little dude, but he is so cute. I just already got so many, and I don't need another, like, 16-inch one, 12-inch, whatever this is, so. Goodbye, sweet cheeks. Maybe I'll get you later. What's your name? Taco? Beautiful. I got a flamingo parrot, so I'm not gonna get another parrot, but very cute. I do like him. I just wish like this one was a bat or something. That would be really cute. I know that this one's pretty common, so I'm not gonna bother getting it, but it's really cute. I love it so much. Alright guys, I'm back from shopping. I'll show you real quick. All I got today was really just some Halloween stuff and a couple other things. Oh, and Squishmallows. First, I got this Squishmallow at Cracker Barrel. I actually already have this one, but a little keychain version. Her name is Callie or Kaylee. Very cute. There's those guys. I have all but the axolotl one. I love cats, and I don't have very many, so as a crazy cat lady, I should have more, so I got her. She's very cute. Then I got her at Cracker Barrel. I did not think she would be there. She was the only Halloween one they had there, and I love how tiny she is. These are the other ones you could have gotten. I want like all of them, but particularly the bat and the black cat. But I was just happy to see her. She was the first Halloween Squishmallow I've ever seen in person, so, and I've been looking for like ever, so I got her, and she's a little witch. I love witches, so, because I am one. Her name is Wilma. I love her. Then, at HomeGoods, I found a lot. Was not expecting it. These are the new ones from this year as well. Here's Bella. Bella the Black Widow. I'm assuming she's a Black Widow. I'm gonna name her Natasha. Like, Natasha Romanoff, Black Widow. She's so cute, and I love her legs. I think she is so cute, and she was actually one of the ones that I really wanted. Besides the bat and the black cat, I wanted a spider, so I got her. Yay. And they smell like lemon or something. Interesting. And then I found this Dracula. His name is Drake. I got him, instead of $12 like this one was, I got him for $9 marked off because he's definitely dirty right there, as you can see. So I don't know how I'll be able to get that off, but we'll see. But he's just so cute. I truly adore him. I love vampires, and the original Dracula, who is gay, by the way, he's beautiful. I just think he looks so cute. Whee! So that's him. He has a little bow tie. And then the last one, I did not think I would find this one because I just found these two together, and I found this one separately. This little 8-inch little ghost, her name is Gracie, and these guys are all part of the same squad, as you can see. And I think she's cute. She has a little witch hat that matches Wilma, and I like the boo, and I think it's just really cute and simple, and I love the little ghost. So I'm so happy I found them. I also found 2 other Squishmallows there that you guys saw, the parrot one and the unicorn and Pegasus panda one, and they were in the bags, but I did not get them because I already got this guy and I did not need another one this size. So I am just so happy that I got all of these guys. They're so cute. Oh no, Wilma. Aren't they adorable? So that's what I got today. So I set them all up. These are all the ones that I have so far that I got from this trip. And I'm gonna go shopping more tonight and tomorrow, so maybe we'll find some more Halloween ones. But yeah, this one's my favorite, but also so is Bella or Natasha, and so is Cody the flamingo, because I love the sequins so much. So good. So we just had dinner, and now it's like almost 4 o'clock. I mean, it's 5 o'clock. We're gonna go down to the strip, and I'm gonna go to like Planet Hollywood shops again. The shops at the Paris Hotel Bellagio, where they have like the really cool flower like plant exhibit, which is cool. They make sculptures out of plants and flowers, so we're gonna see that. Apparently there's mushrooms and boxes, so I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna be matching with my outfit today. And then also I'm gonna be walking to the Target, the Walgreens, and the CVS on the strip, so, and the Marshalls, because there's 4 different places on the strip that I can walk to that might have Squishmallows. So we shall see, and hopefully we can strike a gold mine. I'm excited, so hopefully that Target will have some great things this time. Yay! I used my one daily wish and I got another bloom. Yay! Oh my gosh, I see one.